We are in Dovre in Norway right now, such a beautiful place. But the views isn't the primary reason for our visit, because this is one of the few places in the world home to wild musk oxen. The species used to roam the mountain plains here in Norway thousands of years ago, but died out during the last ice age. When fossils of these animals were found in 1913 here in Dovre, the idea was proposed to introduce them again. This was first done in Ålesund in the 1920s, but they died out. They were also introduced to Svalbard, where they lived happily, and then they died out. Then an attempt was made here in Dovre, but the animals were hunted to extinction during the Second World War and died out. Not giving up hope, another attempt was made to introduce them again after the war in 1947. They lived happily here, and then continued to live. And ever since, these huge animals have roamed the national parks in Dovre. The only question is, will we find them? Tora saw some rocks in the distance, but they appear to be moving. Are they musk oxen? Yes, they are! Let's have a closer look. While these animals appear to be big and slow, that is not the case. Yes, they are big, up to 450 kilos actually, but slow? No. They can run up to 60 kilometers an hour and cover a distance of 100 meters in 3.5 seconds. Because of this, people are to keep a distance of at least 200 meters from them. We came prepared with a 700mm lens, but due to the heat distortion we need to get as close to that 200-meter limit as possible, otherwise it would just look like one big blur. One of the musk oxen gave us an angry look, and we decided to step back rather than waiting to see what would happen next. On our way down again, we passed several of them relaxing near a fence. Because the fence separated us, and also because it was the only way to get back, we had to get closer to pass them. These are some astonishing animals, and this is probably the closest we'll ever be to them.